Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the s go to the right, this one go to the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So if we want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative sign next to number 3 in here. This one, we know that the square root, that is about 1/2. So if I want to put this one on numerator, we need to put the negative sign on the power. And now we have the final answer. So for this one, we have y to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. The next one, we have negative 1/2 plus 1 over negative 1/2 plus 1. Because coefficient of s, that is about number 1. So number 1 we put in here, but 1 that's still about number 1. And I will put about c in here. So this one we have negative number 2, negative number 2, 1/2, 1/2. Now we have the conditions. When s equals to negative number 2, y equals to number 5. So I will put negative number 2 and positive number 5 to find the value of c. So we have c equals to negative 1/50. So I will put this one on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.